train that's gone, as it moves through a town long abandoned, that succumbed to the wind, rot and rust. And the souls long departed are just memories on stone, to return to the prairies and dust. It is their names that we carry through the journey of our days, and we are their legacy, all that remains of their stay. We are descended from children brought forth in hard times and pain, and we can hear their voices by listening to morning and rain. If we're true to the virtues they carry, and all of their struggles are not lost, we will see the gifts on the horizon that were bought and paid for at a cost, that were bought and paid for at a cost, that were bought and paid for